Hello, teacher. One presentation. My name is Joana Pintorosco and I am 18 years old. I am person simply and umbrella to any situation they comments my wit. My character is strong but at the same time I am fun and comfortable person. I realize dancing every time she is a part of my side. I dance from beginning to end. The activity I don't like though to do is hit of early to exercise. I am living in Planas. This part is located in the upper part of Piecuesta. My favorite boot is 3 meters above the sky. I am a student of the degree program in foreign language with Spanish in English and I found this methodology good. I am that I have long brown eye root edges and I have as smile. I am an honest, responsible kid and attentive person with anti people around me. 2. My favorite celebrity. During time night, she played and talk about what happened to us throughout the year. The typical food during the celebration is a delicious tamal with a slice of bread and chocolate. We eat 20 o'clock. My favorite celebration is Christmas as I share with my family and friends. At night, we have also a happy Christmas and church alive move on the 24th of December we first attend the Eucharist in the afternoon and in the evening we began to celebrate. What we do most during the celebration is dance and drink with my family and friends. We celebrate this celebration every year and it is my house. We last celebrating at night and part of the morning. They die. I sit down with my friends to remember what we were those a year ago and nostalgia of. After chatting Christmas, we began to square the end of the year party and we agreed to put together the whole year. The clothes is a simple garment, a jean, a blouse, a jacket, and some choice of sandals. 3. Domestic word. I usually mood and motives. I always must breakers and loose dishes and of the client onto us of helps something I don't my dad and my brother clothes I watch like TVs and change the shoes I use and wash the clothes and stress it I walk to the toilet in the bathroom and clean the garbage bags I was clean the kitchen and keep it tidy. I often clean the windows and the dining room. Sometimes I clean the oven, the fridge, and the washing watch. 4. TV show, music, of or books. I am currently watching the novelty on Icons Love. Today I'm listening to Vallenato and this moment and I really would what to write to us the mystery of the human being exposed. I am currently listening to popular music. In currently watching the show. My name is Rick Note. I am watching the varium program. Right now, I love Auntie is Herman. I currently listen to most Antigodi Binomian and are creating and 7 a.m. Avril brands of 8 a.m. doing work from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and at 12 p.m. lunch. I frankly was to Disney's of 1 p.m. from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I continue work from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. I attend and at 7 dinner. 5. Clothing used in the fall season. I wear a jacket in winter. I wear a scarf in winter. I winter. I wear a hat. I wear sandals in summer. Wear dress in summer. I wear short in summer. In spring, I wear spring. I wear pants in spring. I am tune. I choice. I wear clean in the fall.